The Pixhawk is the flight control system used today on various kinds of drones. It is a simple and robust hardware and software that can be used for a variety of applications. To get the best results out of the system, a detailed adaptation of functions is necessary. Nowadays, copters can easily be flown manually, but they have some disadvantages in terms of range. If you prefer to use fixed-wing aircraft for agriculture application or for remote sensing tasks, we can design the flight control system for your drone for manual fly so that it can easily and precisely reach its target. Our flight envelope protection functions prevent your drones from crashing, thus your drone is characterized by a particular high level of safety. We can also precisely adapt the flight controllers for autopilot to your system. Our flight controllers are adapted, tested and functional safety for your drone. Therefore, the use of our software solutions protect you from undesired and unexpected flight behavior that can occur with currently available standard solutions. Our autopilots covers the entire range of application, from automatic takeoff to automatic cruise flight and automatic landing. You want to connect sensors directly to the Pixhawk and send them via data link? Thanks to our expertise in the field of embedded system, we can expand your drone system the way you needed them. Together with our software and your requirements, we get the maximum result from your drone. You do not have a drone yet, but you are planning to use an unmanned aerial vehicle for your project in the future? We will help you with the selection and plan the system of your drone with you. Thus, you get exactly what you need. We also advise you where you can fly and may fly your drone. Our expertise covers not only the control of aircraft movements, we also design software and hardware for the correct tracking of cameras, sensors or other payloads to meet your individual requirements. For more information, get in touch or visit alphalink.aero.